Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 11. Which of the following tissues does not provide support in flowering plants? A. Collenchyma, B. Parenchyma, C. Xylem, D. Phloem. So, there are certain tissues that provide support in flowering plants or in plants in general. Those are known as supporting tissues. Now, in plants, the supporting tissues are the parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, and the xylem. So these are the tissues, 4 tissues that serve as support in plants, similar to the skeleton in animals. So it's similar purpose to the skeleton in animals. Now, option A, which is collenchyma, as we have rightly established, provides support. B as well, C as well. However, option D, which is the phloem, is a vascular tissue. It's known as a vascular tissue, and the purpose of it is conduction of manufactured food from leaves to the roots of plants for assimilation and storage. So it is a conductive tissue or a vascular tissue. So as we have rightly established, option D, phloem, is not a supporting tissue. Thank you, and please ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.